Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to convert a Replit AI web app into an APK file in 2026. So you can install and use your app on Android devices easily. Make sure you follow the instructions till the end. To convert your Replit AI web app, first make sure that you have published it. After publishing your website app, you can copy the link. To copy the link, you can just hit this button right here beside the publish one. After copying the link, go and type median.co. And here, you can just paste it. So I'm going to paste mine and hit build your app. Here you can see that you have to input the app name and the email address to start to build your app. After starting it, now you can go to build and download. And here you can see an APK one. And you can hit build. Now after waiting for a while, now I can download my Replit AI website app just by clicking the download drop down menu and download APK. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.